English alphabet. A. Apple. B. Baby. C. Car. D. Door. E. Elbow. F. Fire. G. Girl. H. Hospital. I. Island. J. Jacket. K. Kayak. L. Lemon. M. Money. N. Nose. O. Owl. P. Pen. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Sun. T. Tornado. U. Umbrella. V. Vacuum. W. Water. X. X-ray. Y. Yellow. Z. Zero. Let's practice. Pause the video and say and spell. S. U. N. Sun. Say and spell. W. A. T. E. R. Water. Say and spell. N. O. S. E. Nose. Congratulations! Now you know the English alphabet. Have an idea for a future video? Leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.